you are given the scores of students in a school and you have to find the mean, median, mode, and range. And these are the scores you are given. You have 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, 5, 9, 6. So what is the mean? The mean is what we call the average, okay? It's the same as the average. What are you looking for in the mean? You are going to add all of them together, which is what we're going to do. 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 9 plus 10 plus 5 plus 9 plus 6. Divided by the numbers. How many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Divided by 8. So let's add up together. We have 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 9, 24. 24 plus 9, 33. 33 plus 10, 43. 43 plus 5, 48. 48 plus 9, 57. 57 plus 6, we have 63 divided by 8. So how many 8s can you find in 63? That is 7, because 7 times 8 is 56. That's not up to, so you have the 7 over 8, which you can also change to decimal. Now let's go to the next one. We're looking for the median. What is the meaning of median? Median is the middle number, the number at the center after you are done arranging. So you can decide to arrange from the smallest to the biggest, or from the biggest to the smallest, depending on your choice. I'm going with the smallest to the biggest, and 5 is the smallest here. So I'm going to write the 5. After 5, I have 6. So I'm going to be ticking it. So I'll know the ones I have arranged. 6. After 6, I have 7. And then I have 8. And then I have 9, 9, 9. 9 in 3 places. 9 and 9. So, and then I have 10. So I have arranged everything. After arranging, what do I want? I want to count all the numbers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 of them here. So I'm going to count 3 backwards. So 8 divided by 2, that's 4. Then minus 1, you have 3. So you say 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers from here, then from the back, 3 numbers too. What do I have? I have 9 and 8 at the center. So you have 2 numbers at the center. You can say 8 plus 9 divided by 2, because there are 2 numbers. 8 plus 9 divided by 2, you have 17 divided by 2. 17 divided by 2, you have 8 whole number 1 over 2, which you can change to decimal if you wish. Okay, so we have this. Now we are done with median. Let's go to mode. What is the meaning of mode? Mode is the number or the value or the object that keeps occurring, that occur most. So in this case, we want to talk about mode as the score that they keep getting. Many of them got that score. Look at it. 7, only 1 person. 8, only 1. 9, only 1, 2, 3. So 3 people score 9. 10, only 1. 5, only 1. 6, only 1. So the mode is 9. Why? 3 people score 9 out of 8. So that's more. Then let's go to the next one. D. We are asked to find the range. What is the range? Range is the highest value minus the lowest value. Highest value minus the lowest value. That's your range. So look at it. What's the highest here? You have 10. 10 is the highest. Minus what's the lowest? You have 5. So 10 minus 5, you have 5. So this is your range. This is your mode. This is your median. And this is your mean. See you.